Kush trick.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Black Sheep and Autism. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, be down to gang. So today we're gonna clean up Juju room. Y'all see what he done to his room so far. Let me kind of try to bring y'all in a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna try to clean up together so he can know to keep his own clean, so I won't have to keep doing this myself, and he's the one that messed it up. So yeah, Juju, get back here. No, get your toys and pick them up. Come on. No, you better stop. Good job. Hey, put that back.
Hey, no. Yeah. Just eat it.
Meanwhile,
This is a Kush trick.
Pick up the rest of your cars, Juju. A piston cup.
A toothpick. That's a cup. Mommy. And try me. Mommy.
What?
Sister. No. 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 Gosh, no. Gosh, no.
Get the rest of your stuff up. Clean up your room.
Clean it. Clean it.
Yep, clean up.
Clean up. Clean up. Clean up.
Yep, stop cleaning.
Oh. Okay. Up, down, please. Oh, excuse me, Mommy. Look what I'm looking. Just to pick up. Just to pick up.
Jackson gonna pick up his phone.
Just.
Yep, Jackson gonna pick up Jackson. What do y'all know?
No. Yes.
Get out.
Get out, Jackson. Get out, Jackson. Come on, big queen. Ah. Excuse me, Mommy.
Excuse me.
Oh, excuse me, Mommy. There. Oh, my God. Huh? Oh, nice. Oh, Mac. Goodness.
Alright y'all, so this is alright y'all, so I showed y'all Julian was in here a little bit. I don't know how much of Julian y'all gonna see because I have to like edit the video, but I faced it to the ground as much as possible. I'm moving his towels or whatever to the other side, but I'm gonna mop the floor first and then I'm gonna move the towels to let it dry and put the towels on top of that. So all I gotta do now is move his loft area bed thing back on towards the wall, let his stuff dry, and that's Julian home. So yeah, all I gotta do is mop, cause y'all just seen me sweep. I think I'm gonna do these videos in 2 separate videos, but I also was gonna say on this video that Julian don't have to clean his room. I'm just teaching him how to clean his room, like to pick up his toys and where to put them and where they go. He kind of already know it. I just haven't been making him clean up his room, but now I'm gonna start making him clean up his room so he know how to clean up his house when he does get older. Also, I was gonna say, I know some people might have people that don't have kids with autism or don't know anyone with autism, thinking that kids with autism cannot do the same things that kids that do not have autism. They can do all those things and more. So yeah, I'm treating my kids as normal as possible. As far as with this autism stuff, if I don't sit here and try to get you to do it, you will never do it because you wouldn't know how to do it or what to do. It would be foreign. So yeah, y'all, we're just working with the boys as much as possible to live a normal life as possible and I guess you would say more responsible life as possible. So yeah, but I'm gonna mop the floor. After I mop the floor, I'm gonna come in and end the video. So this is what the room look like clean. Julian put most of his stuff up there, and 90% of his toys he put up himself. I cleaned the slide and let the net dry. I'm letting the floor dry. And without saying this, I'm gonna let this side dry, and I'm gonna put those. I'm gonna put 3 more on that side, coming towards the slide, or either going that way. I don't know. Alright, so you guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys got some type of cleaning motivation. I hope this motivated you to, if your little kids or not your toddlers and stuff like that are not picking up toys behind themselves or getting a concept to start, you know, cleaning up behind themselves. I hope this encouraged you to do that. If you have kids with disabilities, and it's kind of like you kind of, you know, don't have the patience and stuff like that, or know how to, you know, work with kids with disabilities. If you have a child with a disability and you don't know how to like teach them how to clean up, start small. You know, I just had Julian doing toys and stuff like that. As far as like washing themselves, you just start small and, you know, working your way up to more and giving them more of a responsibility. So thank you. Thank you for watching.
Watch.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Skirt.